How to fix SmartBro no internet access. First, restart the SmartBro modem or router. Turn the router off, wait 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. Wait about 2 to 3 minutes for all lights to stabilize. Second, check signal bars. Look at the signal indicator on the modem. If it's low or no bars, means it has a weak signal. Move the modem near a window or higher place. Third, reconnect your Wi-Fi. On your phone or PC, turn the Wi-Fi back on, turn it back on, reconnect your SmartBro network. Fourth, check your SIM has data or load. Sometimes the internet stops because promo expired, there's no mobile data left, or the SIM is inactive. Open the Smart app or check balance. Fifth, reset APN settings. Wrong APN settings can cause connected but no internet. Use the APN Smart LTE. Leave everything else as default. 6. Factory reset the modem. If nothing works, keep modem powered on. Press the small reset button using a pin or a toothpick. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds and then wait for a reboot. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.